Castle Skylane.
Genesis
WAMT Castle Skylane.
Genesis Communications.
The best
AM
life
Talk Radio
barb show
1190
is here.
AMT.
The Best Life Barb Show. All about the best of the best in Central Florida with Best Life Barb and Sweet Lou. Be a part of the show. 407-273-1190. 407-273-1190. Because it's not the best
Being
without
50,
you.
huh? Okay.
If you say so.
What's next?
You know, we've covered proper sleep, diet, exercise, having a positive mental attitude. The last thing that I want to talk about is really fundamental to all of these things, and it is very basic. It is chiropractic care. And let's realize something, that your nervous system is the master controller of your body. You can have the best diet, the right exercise, a great mental attitude, and enough sleep. But if your nervous system isn't functioning properly, you're shortchanging everything. It's like putting jet fuel in your jalopy. It's just not going to work. There was a special study that came out of the University of Colorado, a researcher called Dr. Chung Ha Soo, and he showed that simply the weight of a dime on any one of our spinal nerves is sufficient to decrease their function by about 25%. And our bodies are constantly renewing and regenerating and revitalizing. Do you want that done at 75% or at 100%?
No, you definitely want 100%.
He said, wait a minute. He said the weight of a dime.
The weight of a
Right.
dime. Put that on your fingertip and feel
Wow.
it's not much at all. You know, and it's funny, too. People come to me and they say, well, Dr. Mark, I'd want to get adjusted, but I'm scared I'm going to be addicted. And I said, well, you brush your teeth every day. Are you addicted to brushing your teeth? Well, no, Dr. Mark, it just makes me feel better. Now, imagine giving that caveman a toothbrush for the first time. You know, that's the kind of the feelings that patients who come into the office, that's the feeling they get on their first adjustment. They say, wow, this is different. This is better. I feel better today.
And it's true, because I don't know about a lot of your patients, but I certainly, when I get adjusted, I feel like it's a little bit of a high. I'm telling you, I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't do drugs or anything like that. But when I get adjusted, it makes me feel good. It really does. So what's all that about?
Well, most people get used to living a real mediocre life, and they trudge through life at a very low level. When we reconnect the brain to the nervous system and your body and your organs, and everything functions normally, that's what health is. You know, you're not going to find it in a box. You're not going to find it in a pill. You need to support the fundamental underlying
The basics.
Getting back to simple basics. Life's complicated enough. Do something very simple for your life and utilize any one of these 5 things that I talked about here today.
How interesting. And Dr. Mark, if somebody wanted to come in and see you, how would they get an appointment?
Well, they can schedule the appointment with the office line at 407-299-9717. You can take a look on the internet too. Log on to www.drmark.us, and that's a great start.
Yeah, and you do same-day appointments, too.
Same-day appointments. We're there Monday, Wednesday, Friday for full days from 9 till 6 o'clock. Tuesdays is afternoon, and Thursdays will be the morning.
Wow, he did that better than I do that.
He did that really well.
He's going to really,
It's like he's been on the radio for a while.
WAMT Castle Skylane. WAMT Castle Skylane.
Genesis Communications.
The Best
AM
Life
Talk Radio
Barb Show
1190
is here.
AMT.
The Best Life Barb Show. All about the best of the best in Central Florida with Best Life Barb and Sweet Lou. Be a part of the show. 407-273-1190. 407-273-1190. Because it's not the best without you.